Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the perfect roadmap who want to become a data analyst in 2024. Those who want to do less code but more functional activity, this role is perfect for them. Yes, so before getting into the actual topic, let's first understand why this data is important in these days. So we are living in the world which is based upon the information. We are living in the world which is based on the data. So why this data is crucial nowadays? So let's take a famous platform called like YouTube. If you watched a video which is relevant to the IT, if you watched a video which is relevant to the health, which if you watched a video which is relevant to the cooking for more than 2 days, the next third day YouTube itself suggested those kind of videos only. So how it is happening? Just because of the data. So it is collecting the data and analyzing data. Okay, now it's come to the conclusion called, okay, this particular viewers watching this kind of videos only, let's suggest for them. This particular age group, that is 25 to 37, this particular age group watching only career related videos, so let's suggest for them. So this is how YouTube algorithms is working. Not only like a YouTube, if you take any social media called like Instagram, TikTok, so this is the only way they are following. Okay, let's understand in terms of the organization. So if you're working like aircraft related project, you are collecting the data, you are analyzing data, your analyzed will help them to take an ideal decision. So in terms of like a business, in terms of like a profit, in terms of to identify the risk, problems, so in terms of the future enhancements. So this is how the data will help us to predict the future days. So this data we are widely used in like various domains like health, aircraft, airspace, so whatever it is, we have like plenty of usages so by using this data. Okay, now let's come to the actual topic. Now I hope you understood why the data is most important. So if you want to become that kind of person, you have to follow these many things. So first you have to pursue a degree which is relevant to the data, that is comes under like statistics, computer science, mathematics, data science. So you must be in this domain. So along with that, you have to pursue and like you have to take any online courses. So we have plenty of online platforms to enhance our skills. Not only like which is relevant to the college degree, it will give us confidence, it will give us like a practical knowledge. So we have a Coursera nowadays, and Udemy, EDX, Udacity, Gig4Gigs. So these are all like very familiar platform. You can take any one of those, you can acquire any one of them. So this is like very mandatory. And the next thing is you should enhance your technical skills. So these sections will further divide into three different. One is programming language, and second one is database knowledge, and third one is data visualization. Okay, when it's come to like a programming language, you must have to learn Python or R. So Python is not like a Java. Java is like a vast, but Python is like very precise. Even college students itself, they can learn by themselves. It's very easy to understand, it's very easy and simple as well. It is like a English meaning, right? So to learn a Python, it is like English meaning, it's very easy to understand. And along with that, you should have learned any of the frameworks or libraries called Spark, Hadoop. So these are all like big data technology, it's very advanced. If you learn this, it will add your credibility in your resume. And next one is database knowledge. So we have two different database language, correct? One is SQL and no SQL. So based upon the project, you can learn any one of them, but most of the industries we are using like SQL only. We have a data, we are collecting it, but we have to retrieve, right? Now we have a billions of data, trillions of data. We can't see each and every line of the row, right? To see the particular column, to see the particular parameters. So we have to do by using a query. So for that, SQL is more important, and in this SQL, the joins topic is more important because we'll do many subqueries to filter out based on some conditions. So we have to learn like a left joint, right joint, self joint, inner joint. So those topics you should understand very clearly, so that you can retrieve a data and we can manipulate it as per our need. And third one is like a data visualization tool. So in markets there are plenty of tools available, Tableau, Power BI, but most of the organizations, they have created their own visualization tools. So while doing your project, you can adapt it, but for safer side, if you learn these things, so it is very good for you. And last but not least, you have to build your strong profile. So in terms of like LinkedIn, in terms of like Naukri, if it is Naukri, you should have update every morning like at 10 o'clock. Why I mentioned like at 10 o'clock? Because that time only HR and recruit managers will be active on that time. So if you update in your profile in everyday basis, definitely you will get a call. Okay, and why I said LinkedIn means you can build your network, you can build your strong portfolio, you can seek internships, you can ask for any opportunities for entry level positions. When I say like internships, nowadays plenty of websites is available. You can go with like Intentshala, you can go with like Make Intent, you can go with like a Startup Taki. So these are all like very familiar internship sites. By using those, you can apply your role based upon your experience levels, your skills levels, your domains levels, whatever it is. And when I say like in entry level positions, and as per what I have heard about this thing, you can't apply for directly senior data analyst role, you can't apply for directly data scientist role. So first you have to apply for junior data analyst role, research associate, research assistant. So these are all like entry level positions. So after some time, after gaining experience, you can go with for senior data analyst role. So this is how organizations following this kind of like a hierarchy. Okay, so this is all about like perfect roadmap to become a data analyst in 2024. And last but not least, remember, you should adapt like the current situations, the current technologies. So we can't rely on like only one technology. So last year you was working for like one technology. For future enhancement, you should have learned for the further things, as I said now, right? The Spark, Hadoop, these are all like very advanced technology. So you have to be prepared your mindset for continuous learning. You have to adapt, so based upon like your project requirements. So this is how. So while following those kind of things, whatever I said in this video, you can easily become a data analyst, so without any trouble, right? So yes, good luck. I hope this video will going to really helpful for you guys. I will meet you on the next video. Thank you so much.